This film will show you how to use the Conveen Security Plus Leg Bag. When the Conveen Security Plus Leg Bag is connected with a urisheath or catheter, it forms a urinary collecting system, which is a reliable and secure solution to urinary incontinence. Start by washing your hands. The Conveen Security Plus Leg Bag is available with different tube lengths, so you can place the bag where you want to on your leg. If the connector is not pre-attached to the tube, you can shorten the tube to your preferred length. Simply cut the tube with scissors at any of the straight sections of tubing. When cutting, leave as much of the straight section as possible in place. This will ensure a secure connection between tube and connector when mounting the connector. Attach the connector to the tube by pushing the thin end of the connector into the tube as far as possible. Close the outlet tap by pushing the clamp lever upwards until you feel it click into place. As you close the outlet tap, check that there is a little bit of air inside the bag, as this ensures a free flow of urine into the bag. Attach the straps to the bag. Use the widest strap at the top of the bag. Fasten the buttons in the slits at the top and bottom of the bag. Fit the bag securely to your leg using the straps and adjust the straps for a comfortable fit. Do not over-tighten the straps, as this could impair circulation. Any surplus strap may be trimmed off. If the connector has a protective cap, remove it. Attach the connector securely to the urisheath or catheter. The urinary collecting system is now functional. Empty the bag when it is a little over half full to ensure effective drainage. You may find it easier if you unbutton or remove the bottom leg strap before emptying the bag into the toilet or another suitable place. Remember to close the outlet tap after emptying the bag. When the bag is empty, clean the outlet by wiping with toilet paper, and always remember to close the tap afterwards or you will have leakages. Change the bag according to recommendations by your healthcare professional. To change the bag, first empty the bag. Then disconnect the bag from the urisheath or catheter by gently twisting the connector out of the urisheath or catheter outlet. Remove the Conveen leg bag straps. Both the bag and the packaging may be disposed of in household rubbish. The Conveen straps may be reused. The Conveen Security Plus Leg Bag is a single-use product and is not designed to be cleaned, disinfected or sterilized. Finish by washing your hands. The instruction provided in this film is intended as follow-up to the advice you have already been given by your healthcare professional.